Hey everyone, it's Carol. Are you ready? Are you really ready to find out how to make your nail polish last longer? If so, stay right where you are. I want you to see how my nails are hardly chipped, just like a little bit here. And let me tell you how long I've had this on, since before New Year's. Okay, and I have been cooking and making meatballs and pork and sauce and sausage and cleaning and scrubbing pots and pans and cleaning my makeup sponges and my brushes, and my hands have been in so much water. So I got these little red and white cups at the Dollar Tree, and I use them for everything. So I was putting in Parmesan cheese, I was putting in butter, I put some lemons, and then I forgot I had these, and these are adorable to put by everybody's dish, so they have their own cheese. This I got at the Dollar Tree, and it's great for your cheese. I got a loaf of sourdough bread. It's crusty and soft. I have these giant hot pepper and salt shakers. I'll have to put a link for this. This is the cutest thing. Cutest thing you could have to put on your plates to keep your dinner warm. And I did change the little handle. It was just a plain little handle. I put a little crystal. I have just a little snack. When they walk in, they could have a little snack. CASTLEVETRANO green olives. I'll take that. Black olives, celery, hummus, and chips. Just something for them to grab while we are waiting for the food to finish. So we've got that. Then I made a little salad. Put some croutons, put olive oil, lemon, and I put balsamic vinegar. Then I have this beautiful silverware I had gotten in Neiman Marcus online. It is just gorgeous. Of course, this is my favorite. I love them all. They last forever. I've gotten them years and years ago. I did a video on this many years ago. Then I have these fabulous plates by CORELLE. And it's like eating at a restaurant. Put some napkins there. This is what I use. Thank you, Molly. My neighbor gave me that. And this is my favorite olive oil from Trader Joe's. I have the water waiting to boil. To put the spaghetti, I got Barilla, the thick spaghetti, 2 pounds. This pot is full of sausage, a couple of meatballs, but mainly sausages. The sweet sausage from Jonesville. Meatballs are done. Look at that bubbling. Woo! When they walk in, they could just start a little picking. I'll throw the pasta in, we'll cut up the bread, and we will get this party started.
You're going away.
You're sitting by the fire. Woo! Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Daniela.
Happy New Year.
Stacy.
I know.
So, let's remove the polish. I like this Target one, which is leaking, I don't know why. But this Target one, it's acetone. It's got a plastic scrubber inside. So it's not like one of those sponges that shred. I'm trying to make it look clean for you. I go one leg up and down, I go sideways, and it's off. Up and down, and sideways, and it's off. Much easier than doing cotton ball. And then I take one of these heavy duty, and I just push and just clean off the cuticle area. I take this and I push back my cuticles. And it also scrapes away any cuticles that are stuck on your nails, therefore giving you a larger nail bed. And we all want a larger nail bed. Once you've cleaned up your nail bed, you're ready for polish. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use the Grip Nail Dehydrator. Now, I'm going to just put a coat on each nail. I've read, and I've been doing research, that if you take a cotton ball and put alcohol on it, it almost does the same thing if you don't have this. I don't know, because I haven't tested it, but they said that your nail polish will last longer if you do that. This is kind of the same concept, but I've only been doing this and I have been impressed. Okay, nail dehydrator, it's called Grip Emma. I take Growth Spurt by American Classics. And this is to give your nail a boost to grow. So you just go willy-nilly each nail. You let that dry. The reason my nails are short at the moment is because one broke, so I always file them all down. I'd rather have all short than short long and short long. Two more things I have to show you while that's just drying is this DENNY emery board. It's glass crystal. It's a nail file. I have had it for years. It comes in the case, that's why I've had it so long, but as long as you don't drop it, this will last a lifetime. And there are other brands too, but this is the brand that I recommend. I have it in my Amazon store, and I'll put a link down below. This you can saw back and forth. These kind of emery boards, and this one in particular, seals your ends. It's filing and it's sealing. And you could go back and forth and it's not scratching and ripping your nails apart like a regular nail file. A regular nail file will destroy your nails. Now this is how I do my right hand. I just swerve back and forth, seesaw back and forth. And then this one I go around. It's easier because I'm a righty. All right, now we're ready for polish. I'm gonna do black to match my Beatles. And I did see the Beatles when they landed at Shea Stadium. And I went with my sister. My older sister took me in 1964. And we went with her girlfriend and her brother. So it was the four of us. We screamed like maniacs. I was so in love with Paul. So I'm going to polish my nails to match my shirt right now. I also use these thick files to clean up the sides. So, I mean, I'm always not without these files. So I'm going to show you my next tip. This is called Restore by Seshvit. This is a 2-ounce bottle. What I'm going to do is squeeze the dropper and then drop a few drops in. And now I'm going to shake it. Okay, let's see if this is better. Yes, now when I was younger, I used to dilute the polish with nail polish remover. Never came out good. Always dulled the polish. This does not dull it. This is amazing. Sachet Restore Restoration Thinner. It's amazing. I'll put the link down for that too. All right, I'm going to finish polishing my nails. I just did my nails. Now they match my shirt. This is called GELOUS. It's an advanced nail gel coat that does not require any UV or LED light. Now, we're going to take GELOUS, G-E-L-O-U-S. It makes it shiny it kind of makes it bulletproof. It just gives it a gel coating. So there you go. So after this, you're all done. Your nails should be strong. They should be shinier. They should be thicker. Let me know if you try it. I hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks. I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful night, and remember, I love you.